When I thought of making a presentation, I went up to File, I went up to New, and you can see on here all of the different shapes that you might use. Okay. These give you an idea. Now look at this droplet. If I were talking about drips, that's a good layout to have, isn't it? All I need to do is to accept this. No, I don't want that. I want this one. Droplet. And there it is. Look, that's a nice one. Now, okay, so I've chosen my layout, my background. Now what I want to do is to put the title. I don't like that. No. Fixing a drip. And one of the things I don't like about this is that it's all capital letters. If I highlight it, just there, you can see the title comes up there of the font. Here we are. I'll go up to, first of all, let's say Home, and then go along to here, and I've got all my fonts here. Now I quite like this one, Berlin Songs, but I don't like all capitals, so I'm going to go to it doesn't seem to like anything. Other than capitals on this. So I'm going to click up to here and add my own text box, and this time you can see that I can type in my own. The only trouble is it's not centered, so let's go up to here. Now it is centered. Okay, so far so good. The next thing is it's not the font I want. If I highlight it, there are all the fonts. Another place, as I said, was up here. Alright, and I've gone here for Berlin Songs FB. The only trouble with this is it's the wrong size, and I'd like it, since it's the most important thing, the title of my presentation, to be better, to be larger. So there we're at 66. Anything else wrong with it? Well, it's in black, and I want drips to suggest water and dampness. So now I'm going to go down here and choose blue. Right, fixing a drip. So I've got a feeling of dampness. Now, when I come down to here, I want to write in my own name, but again, it's gone in for all capitals. I don't want all capitals, so I'm going to delete that box. Here you are, I've deleted it. Now I'll go up to here. Remember, I'm on Home. If I go along from Home, then I've got this box here of various things. Just incidentally, I don't have to just look at those. I can press this and get all of these call-outs, arrows, rectangles, equations, all sorts of things down here. You need to look at it in your own time. But what I want is this one here. I just put a box there, and I start typing in my name. My name on YouTube is Jack Barnett 21, and so that's the thing I'm going to put in on there. Alright, now again I want it centered, so I go up to there, again on home, make it centered. I want it a little bigger than that, but not too much bigger. That'll do. And I want it further down. Okay, so far so good. I've got a good background theme, haven't I? With the water, it's fixing a drip. I've got drips all round, and I've got this. Okay, now let's look at the next thing here. I've got home, but I'd like to animate this. This is my first slide, so I'm going to animations. I'm looking at that, and I can make it fly in. Okay, that's okay. Now I want to know what I'm doing there, so if I go to animation page, animation pane, and I've got here all of the things that I've done. Now what did I do? I made it fly in. If I play it, there it is. The trouble is it goes over my name. I don't like that very much, so I'm going to come up to here, I'm going to double click onto there and go to here. Now the first thing that it's doing, it's coming in when I click it. Okay, let's have a look at the effect. It's coming in from the bottom. I don't want it to come in from the bottom, I want it to come in from the left. Let's try that. That's okay. Let's double click on there again, change it coming in from the right. Okay, that, and it comes in like that. Now I can double click onto it, make it come in by word. Let's make it come in, fixing a drip. Mind you, drips come from the top, don't they? So let's go up again, go to effect on here and say, right, come in from the top. I could make it come in by letter. Alright, by letter, giving the impression of drips, but I can make it from the top by letter. Come on now, isn't that a drip feeling? This one, which I've decided, home, I'd like to be bold. This one, I just wish to, no, let's go back to animation, and I'll make it wheel in. There you are. Alright, so there's my slide. If I come down here, notes, comments. If I come down here and play, click onto OK, fixing a drip, Jack Barnett 21. There's the first lesson. In PowerPoint 2010. I hope that's been useful. What have I looked at? I've looked at File, Right, here we are back where we wanted to be. I also then went along from home to animation and I chose fly in. This flew in and I decided that it would fly in from the top by letter with a break of 66 in it. If I play it, there it is. And there's my name, Jack Barnett 21 coming in. But there's a start. So I shall stop this now.